Hello and welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Just a quick video. I got a thing from TEMU, and I try not to, but I tell you, they do have sort of addictive things on their app. Anyway, I got a thing that I'm going to perhaps put on the back of my car. And you see, that is very official looking. It's made out of plastic. I'm assuming it has a pretty good suction on it, and it looks very official. And it's on paper, and I think that I can find a spot kind of either right underneath the other thing or directly across from it so it matches. And I think it will be good. Anyway, so never doubt that perhaps even a little humor in life is good. There. Oh, you can see that better there. Indeedy. So we'll see about that. I will see. I'm gonna. I guess the thing is, I'm just worried that it's gonna fall off. Now I hope the adhesive is good, and if it is good, then I will put it on the back. And if I'm not so sure, then I'll probably put it on the dash so I can look at it. We shall see. And of course, undoubtedly, there'll be somebody somewhere who takes offense. How can you put that? How can you have that nasty word? Well, it happens. It's funny, we all try and guard everybody from saying certain words, but everybody says them. So it's not working. Anyway, thanks for coming. Bye for now.